Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to analyze Subtrackers. This time, I'm going to use two different examples. First, Puma. Let's click. When you click, it shows no data. Make sure to change the date range to all time. It shows the entire data. Now you need to locate specific Subtrackers. Remember, in the Subtracker settings, you entered the 5 keywords for your Subtracker. Understand the purpose of Subtracker. Out of entire data collected, you want to sort your data into specific topics. For example, if you want to analyze your performance of your hashtag campaign, you want to see the number of posts that mentioned key users who mentioned your hashtag, and also your conversations going around your brand ID. So why people tagged your ID and what are the conversations? Also, if there is people who mentioned specific keywords such as boycott, customer, or product, you also want to understand the conversations behind. Out of these 5 options, choose 2 Subtrackers that provides more meaningful insight for your brand. When you click your Subtracker, you will see what happens. It shows the no data again. You will notice that date range changed back to 2 weeks time frame. This is the default setting, and it works for your industry. They're analyzing data for the latest time frame, so 2 weeks time frame works for them. But for us, it's not working because we created these trackers a month ago. You want to see the entire data. So as soon as you choose the Subtracker, make sure you change the date range back to all time, and then scroll down and click this link or this link to figure out top conversation going on. Location or gender data is optional, but major analysis will be the conversation and the key users. Move on to the next Subtracker. This time you want to see who tagged your brand ID and click it. As soon as you choose the Subtracker, you see the date range changed back to the 2 weeks time frame. To see the entire data, you change back to all time. Again, this is not convenient, but you have to do it to see the full data. You want to understand conversations for people who tagged your user ID and the key users, the hashtag. If you want to go back to your original data, click Subtracker, then it will show no data, and then it changed back to all time. You see the entire data. I will show you another example. In case of Fabletics, they're a much smaller company, and then not many people actually mention Fabletics. Their tracker is still ongoing. Again, when you click your hashtag to evaluate the performance, you will see no data or just a few number of posts. You change the back to all time, but still it shows no data. That means there are no one who mentioned this keyword during this specific time period. If it's the case for your branded hashtag or campaign hashtag, that means your campaign or branded hashtag is not going well. No one actually mentioned your hashtag. Do you want to change the direction? Like you want to find a new influencer? You really have to think about how to promote your hashtag more. If you want to go back to original view, choose all Subtrackers, and then click all time to see the data. If you have any questions about Subtracker, please feel free to email me. Thank you so much.